Hello, Godox. Hey, what's up? It's Nick Brengle. Yeah, I was going to make a video talking about the VL150 and the UL150 Mark II and, which one is better and one is silent and one is really loud and one has an amazing control box and the other one is just kind of not as great at all. One has dual V-mount capabilities, the other has one and it's kind of whatever. I was just wondering, you want to send out some gear and have me review other stuff, that'd be awesome. But I'm going to get into this video now, so hopefully somebody listens to this. All right, see you guys later. All right. Okay. How y'all doing? Nick Brengle here, and today we're talking about two different lights from Godox, the VL150 and the UL150 Mark II. First things first, Godox in no way, shape, or form asked me to do this video. They've never sent me any gear. I've reached out to them before and gotten nothing back. So this is a transparent, honest review, pros and cons, whatever you want to call it, video talking about these lights. Okay, so first we're going to focus on the UL150 Mark II, the daylight balanced light. That is what I've purchased. It is 5600 Kelvin all the time. It does, they do make a bicolor version that is 3200 to 5600 Kelvin, and that runs about $550. This light is on sale right now, end of January, at the time recording this video, on B&H for $380. So that could change tomorrow, I have no idea, but it is on sale right now. So I think it's a steal because of what you're getting. Now, the reason that I picked up this light was to kind of replace the VL150, but also kind of flip-flop the two. This becomes my main source light, and then the VL150 I can kind of do whatever I want with. It's still a great light. But there are two major reasons that I picked up this light, and it has now become my main go-to light to use with these kinds of things. And number one is it's completely silent. So even at 100% for 5, 10, 20 minutes, doesn't matter, you're never going to hear this light. It is completely silent. That's the whole idea behind it. Now you are sacrificing size. It's much larger than the VL150, but the output power, I believe, is the same. It's very difficult to find that information. Godox doesn't really put that information on their website. It's kind of bizarre, but I believe the power output is very similar. The other huge benefit with this light is the control box. The control box is just really well built. It kind of looks like, if you ever watch Ghostbusters, the thing that they catch the ghosts in, it kind of looks like that, except it doesn't catch ghosts or house ghosts at all, but it does have just a really well built control box. It has nice dials. There's effects if you want to use those, like lightning or TV, paparazzi. I'll probably never use them, but they're on there. And then there's also the ability to attach two dual V-mount batteries, and that's just in case you need to go mobile or you're in a situation where you lose power to an outlet. Who knows what the situation is, but you have the ability to do both, and it's just really well built. It's super solid. You're getting legitimate DMX control, input, output, so it kind of gives you the ability of future adaptation with other lights. So yeah, that's a positive. With a light this size, you do want to make sure that you have the proper CStand weights that are, working correctly, sandbags, whatever that is, because it is a much heavier light. And that was kind of probably the biggest adjustment from the VL150. And so we'll get into the VL150, and here it is. I am going to now switch to the VL150, and I'm going to put the mini dome on here. I'm going to put it at 15% power, and then we'll talk a little bit about this light. So take this mental image here, or pause it, look at it, whatever. We'll probably do some comparisons. This is supposed to be kind of a fast, fun, boom, boom, boom video. I'm going to go do this. Hold on. Okay, did anything change? I don't know, you let me know. But this is now the VL150 with the aperture mini dome at 15%. And yeah, I would say it might actually be just a It's probably about the same distance, maybe an inch or two off, but 15% power, and you let me know what you think the big difference is. So talking about the VL150, one of the things is just it doesn't have any DMX power. It's just a standard, some sort of AC power adapter, so it's kind of a standalone light. It does have on the back of the control box one V-mount plate, so you can power this mobily. So something different with the VL150 that I want to highlight is that fan noise. So here in a second, I am going to play you a clip from the UL150, and if it makes any noise at all besides the ambiance that you hear in the room compared to the VL150, which you will 100% notice it right away. So go ahead and listen to that, and then we'll come back and wrap it up. Okay, so let me show you the UL150 Mark II. So here it is, and it's much, much larger. It's much heavier. I mean, this just shows you, look how it's massive compared to the VL150. That one you can basically put on one of these cheap C-stands and let it go. If you put this on anything except a legitimate C-stand, is just going to collapse because of the weight of this thing. So whatever's going on inside of this to keep it silent obviously weighs a lot. But yeah, you definitely feel like you're a little more serious with this light because of, I don't think I've ever had a light that was this large. So yeah, that I didn't rent. At the end of the day, I think both of these lights are incredible purchases. I think they both put out a high quality light. And, you know, for me, it's just all about what you do with the light. Obviously, if I took all this diffusion off and you just saw, you know, the LED panel, it would be terrible. It would be really harsh. And so I just think with any kind of lighting, it just takes your own eyes to shape and mold what you want it to be. And that's why I think both of these lights are good purchases. It's just a matter of, do you want that fan noise, or do you want to be completely silent? You know, your guess is as good as mine. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video and for some reason you stumbled upon it and you've never seen me before, please consider subscribing. At least hit the like button. That helps this channel out a lot, and all of the people that are coming back, thank you so much. Hit 6,000 subscribers a few weeks ago, which was incredible. So just that slow crawl of up the mountain when it comes to the YouTube community and just being more recognized. So I'm trying my best, you know, trying to put out some YouTube shorts that coincide along with each upload that hopefully moves traffic to this channel, and that just helps me to, you know, create more and upload more. So yeah, hit the like button, hit subscribe, or go watch some of my other videos, and maybe, you know, you'll like some of those as well. So yeah, until then, yeah, till the next video, go create something.